On January 24th, 1984, the Apple Macintosh was released. The Macintosh was the first mass-marketed, all-in-one desktop personal computer. Building off of the Apple Lisa project, the Macintosh was created after Apple co-founder Steve Jobs began seriously considering the values of graphical user interface. The computer came with a 9-inch cathode ray tube monitor, keyboard, and single-button mouse. The Macintosh was first revealed to American audiences during Super Bowl XVIII, during which a commercial entitled 1984, directed by Ridley Scott, advertised the new computer. The initial price for the computer was $2,495 and saw tremendous sales reception, reaching 70,000 sold units by May 3rd of that year. The Macintosh would be succeeded by the Macintosh 512K, after which the original model was rebranded as the Macintosh 128K. The release of the Apple Macintosh was a pivotal moment in personal electronic development and would pave the way for the development of future personal computers, including those which are used to this day.